Hi everyone, so for this activity I'm going to teach you guys how to make this cute little spring bouquet. I thought that it would be a good idea since it is springtime and we haven't really gotten the chance to go outside much, so I think that having this is a cute little reminder that it's still spring. So the materials that you're going to need are some sheets of paper, any color you want, and then one specific green sheet of paper for the grass. You're also going to need tape or glue. I like to use tape, so I'm going to use tape. And then also, lastly, a pair of scissors. So, the first thing that I did when I was doing this activity is that I took my sheets of paper and I cut out all different types of flowers. So, here are my flowers. I liked these colors, so I picked them. I have roses and I have daisies, since they're my two favorite flowers. So I have them in all different colors. So if you guys want to pause this video and take the time to cut out some flowers on your color sheet of paper, you can do that and then come back when you're ready. So once you've cut out your flowers, you're going to take your green sheet of paper and you are going to fold it hot dog style like so. So line up the edges. And then you're just going to fold it like this. So you see this is the edge and then this is a folded part. And then once you are done with that, this is the really tricky part. So you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut downward starting from the folded, where you fold it. So, like so. Not all the way down, just about till here. So you're going to want to fold kind of, I'd leave like a couple, maybe an inch or so from here to the end of the sheet of paper. And then once you cut all of these, you can pause the video because it took me a while. So I have one here. So it should look like this at the end. So if you want to pause the video and cut your flowers, you can, or cut your grass, you can do so. Once you're done cutting your grass like this, sizes don't matter. You can do it however you want. You're going to take your grass and you're going to roll it starting from one end. So I'm going to hold it here and roll this grass like so. You can make it the bouquet as small as you want, or you can make it bigger if you'd like. And I'm just going to take, you can either tape or glue where the ends meet so that they can hold. So I'm just going to grab a piece of tape and tape it like so. So it looks like this. You can see, oops, I'm going to add another piece of tape just to make sure. As you can see, it's taped right on the edge so that it won't like unravel itself. And after you are done with that, you are going to take your flowers that you already cut and just place them wherever you want around the bouquet. One thing that I really like about flowers is the kind of like how spread out it is. So if you want that for your bouquet as well, you can take the edges and kind of fold it out a little bit. Not a lot, so just a light push outward to have the outer layer of the roll kind of give it more space for each of your flowers. So after that, I'm going to take each flower. You can glue or you can tape, and tape them onto the stems like so. And I'm just going to do a couple so that you guys can see. I'm going to put some on the outer layer and some on the inner layer. So here you can take the time to place your flowers wherever you'd like. I just put some of mine on. This side's missing one. I'm just going to put one down real quick so it doesn't look empty. Like so. And then you can add any detailing that you want to the flowers. On this flower in particular, I didn't really put it on yet, but I added like a little, I don't know if you can see it, a little kind of like centerpiece, so you can add those to your daisies if you want, or you can add bugs such as ladybugs and bees, butterflies, whatever you want to your flowers to give it a little bit more of a spring feeling. But it's up to you how you want to customize it. But those are the basics on how to make a cute little spring bouquet that you can put in your room or give to someone that you really care about. So I hope you guys enjoyed that activity.